welcome to Shrisha's Kitchen, the taste of heaven. Today we're going to see 3 healthy coconut milkshakes. The strawberry milkshake, chocolate milkshake and apple milkshake. So let's get started. First we're going to make our delicious apple coconut milkshake. So in the blender I'm going to add sliced 1 medium-sized apple. Next add 10 almonds, of which I have removed the skin, 2 tablespoons of fresh pure honey, and then our main ingredient, that is the coconut milk. Friends, today for all the 3 milkshakes I have used the milk from 1 coconut. So let's start on the mixer and grind it nicely. If you want the fruit pieces, you can grind it accordingly. And that's it. Our apple coconut milkshake is ready and it seems delicious. So now let's move on to our second milkshake, the strawberry coconut milkshake. Friends, I have took 5 strawberries today and I'm going to add them inside the blender. Friends, strawberries always have that sour taste. So to adjust that, I'm going to add 1 banana, nice ripe banana. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. And friends, you can always add white sugar, but as I'm trying to make it healthy, I'm going to add honey. Wow friends, look at this. It's very colorful. So now, first let's blend the strawberries and banana together. As you can see, if you blend it like that, it won't get nicely smashed. So you can add a little bit of water and blend it nicely like this to avoid the lumps. So once you got this puree, you can go on and add the coconut milk. Friends, you can always adjust the consistency of the coconut milk accordingly. If you want it thick and creamy, you can take the first time milk. If you want it semi-creamy like mine, you can take the second time milk of the coconut. And that's it. Our tasty strawberry milkshake is ready. Friends, all of these milkshakes are very easy to make. So next, let's go to the chocolate coconut milkshake. It is also known as chocoban, as I'm going to add banana. So for this, I'm going to take 1 banana that I've sliced them nicely and I'm going to add them inside the mixer. And I'm going to add a little bit of water and grind them nicely into a smooth and nice puree like this. And then I'm going to add rest of my coconut milk. Friends, the amount of coconut milk is totally up to you. So then I'm going to add some melted chocolate. Friends, if you don't have chocolate, you can also try with Nutella. So let's grind it nicely. Friends, it already looks amazing. Let's pour it inside the glass and that's it. Our chocoban coconut milkshake is ready. Friends, look at these 3 amazing coconut milkshakes. So let's add more colors to them. So I have covered the apple one with some honey and I have stuck sprinkles. So now to the strawberry, I'm going to add a scoop of ice cream and few pieces of strawberry. It looks beautiful. So let's go to the chocolate one. Friends, with the chocolate syrup, I'm just going to draw a classic design. But if you're a good artist, you can go with your creativity. Friends, I'm going to draw 3 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines to make this chessboard kind of design. I'm going to top it up with some piece of chocolate. And that's it. 3 of our elegant coconut milkshakes are ready. Friends, you should definitely try this out because it's absolutely tasty and healthy as we are using coconut milk. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Love you guys. Bye bye.